She's flying. She's flying.
That's good.
She's flying.
Okay, what name you want to give to that parrot?
I want to call her Angel.
Angel?
Yes.
Okay.
Hello, Angel. Hello, Angel. La la la. How are you, Angel? Did you have your lunch, Angel? Can you be my best friend, Angel? I really want you to be my pet. She will be my daughter. Oh, I want to talk to Tommy.
Okay.
Let me teach you Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And rip it off the knee. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Papa would the wood so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That is 7 days of the week.
Yeah.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Did you have your breakfast? Did you have your lunch? Did you have your dinner? I want to speak to Siri.
Okay. Yes.
Hello.
I'm here. I'm learning new tricks. Try asking me what I can do for you.
I'm missing my friends.
Yeah.
I don't get it. But I can check the web for.
You
I
say.
miss you, my friend. If you like.
Who's my best friend?
What is your friend's name?
It is only Nyla.
I'm Siri. Pleased to meet you.
Nyla's my best friend.
Okay. Do you want me to remember that Anna S is your best friend?
Yeah. What is my friend name?
I don't know who your friend is. But if you tell me, I'll remember it.
I told you it's Nyla. Is it weather hot today?
Not too hot today.
What is Corona?
Here's some information.
Corona means germ.
In German, Corona is Wolf.
Huh? Can you come to the park? I want to play with you.
I don't have an answer for that. Is there something else I can help with?
It's here. Siri, can you sing me happy birthday?
Certainly. Absolutely. Ahem. Okay, here I go. Ahem. Hang on. Let me just clear my... Gosh. Singing is harder than I thought.
Please.
Please. Please what?
Please. Please to sing.
I'd rather leave that to the professionals.
Siri, can you please sing me a happy birthday song?
I'd rather leave that to the professionals.